Welcome back, beautiful. Winter is coming and I've been feeling a little under the weather all this weekend, so we're going to keep the cooking simple while I chat to you. Today's dish is peanut butter noodles, and I like to hit mine up with a homemade chili oil sauce that I'll show you how to make another time. I make lots of variations of this noodle dish at home. It's one of those low on effort but high on flavor things, and that's my jam, especially the low effort part. I'm looking forward to doing food that's more involved, but I don't know when that will be. You'll be the first to find out though, I promise. I'm going to be using a generous amount of coriander, spring onions, and garlic in this noodle dish. I love peanut butter, crunchy peanut butter, and today I'll be using peanut butter powder actually, because it mixes in a lot easier with the other ingredients to make a nice sauce that coats every strand like a long lost lover, and that is goals, my friend. Here's my chili oil, which I'm looking forward to showing you how to make another time. And let's get the party started with some curly noodles today. That's what I'm in the mood for. So it's important not to overcook the noodles. I think that's a pet hate of mine, soft noodles. I think there's a joke in that. But yeah, let's have them al dente. And then we are going to mix that baby up. Don't forget to add in the starchy noodle water. This is what helps make a nice sauce. Hit it with your herbs and make a little pile of the raw garlic on top and keep it together, because we're going to hit it with some hot oil and stir that baby through. And that's it. Very simple, very easy peanut butter and chili oil noodles. Okay, it's time for the taste test. I really love this dish. It is easy, fragrant, a little bit spicy, and truly delicious. If you want a more well-rounded meal, add your protein, add your greens. But today, we're just doing a carb party in my mouth. And it is yum. So, I hope you join me next time as we cook up another chilled out sesh. See you next time.